iOS 18, how to use Apple Intelligence in iOS 18. Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you on how you can use the newest feature of iOS 18. This is a step-by-step guide, so you will be able to follow easily. Now, of course, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the system settings right here, and you want to make sure that your iPhone device is on the iOS 18. You can only go ahead and use this feature if you are using iOS 18 and above. From here, you want to scroll down and you want to navigate through screen time. Inside screen time, go ahead and click on content and privacy restrictions. Once inside content and privacy restrictions, you can then go ahead and see a setting right here called Apple Intelligence. Now, unfortunately, as of the moment, that feature has not been released yet on my region or my country, but basically you can just go ahead and see that right here. So you want to go ahead and click on it, and you want to make sure that the allow is toggled on. As an example, we have location services, so it's set on allow. You can just go ahead and set all of the settings inside the intelligence in Siri to allow to go ahead and use them. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.